Hello and welcome to my second screencast of Arithmetic Law. I'm going to cover the arithmetic identities of addition and subtraction and work on an example for you. Okay, so we're going to start off with the additive identity, which is 0. Any number we add 0 to will not change what that number is. Now it's important in finding the additive inverse. Now in order to find the additive inverse of any number A, we add its negative, and we will get the additive identity, which is 0. And the same can be said if we have a negative number, we add its positive, that will also give us 0. So the additive identity of A is negative A, and the additive identity of negative A is A. Now addition is commutative and associative, which means you can form the additions in any order you like, and that is not true for subtraction. If you change subtractions to additions by using their additive inverse, you can overcome this problem. Now, here's the commutative law. Now, the subtraction of B from A does not equal the subtraction of A from B, as you will see in the examples I show, and the example I show next. Whereas if you change the negative B into its additive inverse, we can now add negative B to A, and that is commutative. So we can add A to negative B, and that will equal adding negative B to A. And the same can be said with the associative law. A string of subtractions like A minus B, if we do that first and then minus C from that, that does not equal the same association if we do B minus C first and subtract that from A. We will not get the same answer. But if we change negative B into its additive inverse and change subtraction of C into its additive inverse, then the associative law will work. Now let's have a look at an example. Now if we use this example here, and we perform 3 plus 4 first, we will get 7. And we'll have 2 minus 7 minus 5. And if we do it from left to right, 2 minus 7 is negative 5. Negative 5 minus 5 gives us negative 10, which is incorrect. If you don't use additive inverses, you must perform a string of additions and subtractions from left to right to get the correct answer. So 2 minus 3 is negative 1. Negative 1 plus 4 is 3. 3 minus 5 is negative 2. The correct answer is negative 2. Now I will show you using the additive inverse. Here we can perform the calculations in any order we like. So let's start by subtracting 5 from let's start by changing the subtractions into their additive inverse, and then I'll work from the outside in. So we'll have 2 plus negative 3 plus 4 plus negative 5. Alright, now we can perform the calculations in any order we like and we'll get the correct answer. Let's do the outside numbers. 2 minus 5 gives us negative 3. And then we've got plus negative 3 plus 4 and negative 3 plus negative 3 gives us negative 6. Negative 6 plus 4 gives us negative 2, which is the correct answer. Now you can use that in any order you like. You can perform those calculations in any order and you'll get the correct answer. Thank you.